Hi guys, welcome back to Mass Study Friends. Friends, today's topic is how did we spend our time during lockdown. जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज ये स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और अंग्रेजी बोल के आपको बताएंगे कि इन्होंने अपने लॉकडाउन में, जब लॉकडाउन लगा तब आपने अपने घर पर क्या किया। जैसा कि आपको पता है कि जब लॉकडाउन लगा था तब हम लोग घर में कैद थे, वी वर अनेबल टू गो आउटसाइड, और हम बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे थे। तो जो लोग सिटी में थे उनके साथ तो बहुत बुरा हुआ क्योंकि वो कहीं जा नहीं पाए, लेकिन कुछ लोग जो गाँव में थे वो कभी कभी अपने खेत में, अपने खलिहान में जाते थे। तो सुबह से लेकर शाम तक पूरा शेड्यूल चेंज हो गया था। कुछ लोग अपने आप को बहुत बिजी कहा करते थे लेकिन वो भी बिल्कुल फ्री हो गए थे। तो आज इंग्लिश सीखने के माध्यम से ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स वन बाय वन आएंगे और आपको बताएंगे दैट हाउ डिड दे स्पेंड दियर फ्री टाइम ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन। तो इसीलिए वन बाय वन आएंगे और आपको बताएंगे, आपको सुनना है, फिर आपको भी इसी तरीके से इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। आप इनको सुन सुन के इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं धीरे धीरे, ग्रेजुअली। तो चलिए हम आज का सेशन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। अगर आपको मजा आए तो लाइक जरूर करना। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
A very helpful evening to all. I am Kiran Birla from Sanad. How are you?
We are fine. And you?
I am also fine. I am very excited because after some time today I am going to tell you what did I do during lockdown. Before this, I will be thankful to sir to giving me this place to tell at least 50 lines about this topic. Let's start. During lockdown, I spent my all time at home only, but I learned and enjoyed many things this time. My friends called me in the morning at 9:30. Then we played outdoor games. Then we went different homes and ate different dishes. Then after that, at the daytime, we come back to our home and I spent my time with my family members and I helped my mother in household work. I learned many things during lockdown. For example, such like that art, craft, dance, household work. My family saw the morning and spent all the daytime and saw the evening at home only. I did the online classes during lockdown so we can maintain the social distancing and took the precautions that has been taken by our government. I hope you like. Thank you for listening me. Friends,
Good evening.
how are you?
We are fine. And you?
I am also fine. My name is Yogita Sagar and today's my topic is how I spent time in lockdown. The deadly coronavirus virus has spread all around the world because there is no drug or vaccine for the disease. Thus, lockdown is the only option with many countries. This lockdown was my first such experience where I had to stay at home for a long period of time. On the first days of the lockdown, I played some outdoor games with my two neighborhood friends. As days passed, I realized that the number of the corona patients were increasing, so I stopped playing outdoors. Everyone, including me, started taking more precautions against coronavirus to stay them safe from the disease. After few days, I started watching TV and sometimes I helped my mother in kitchen. Then I also used to make paintings to pass my time. I watched the news regularly. That's all about that. How I spend my time in lockdown. Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
I am also fine. My name is Vaidik Punase. Firstly, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to tell some lines about how I spent my lockdown. So let's start. During the lockdown, I learnt many things like stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit. I spent more and more time with my family in lockdown. I helped my elders in their work. I did yoga with my cousins and my parents. I played some interesting games some interesting indoor games like carom, chess, ludo, etc. I will also watch movies and matches highlights. In lockdown, I used to attend my online classes in lockdown. That's all about my lockdown. Thank you. Thank you for listening me.
Very good evening to all. Good evening. How are you? We are fine, and you? I am also fine. My name is Swati Pawar. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. Today I am going to tell you what did we do during lockdown. I am going to share with you. Let's start. During lockdown, I had spent my time doing lots of my things. I had spent a lot of my time at my home during lockdown. I had spent more and more time with my family in lockdown, and everyone lived at home during lockdown. I had also played some interesting indoor games with my siblings. I watched many movies, and all the family members sat together and watched the Ramayana. I had also worked on my health. I had done yoga and exercise regularly. I had also helped my mother and sisters on their work. After all these, I had attend my online classes. I had spent my time having fun with my siblings. I had always obeyed the lockdown rules. I hope that everything will be fine as soon as possible. Thank you so much for listening me.
Everyone. How are you?
We are fine, and you?
I am also fine. My name is Priyanshi Jaishwal. Today's topic is how did we spend lockdown. During this lockdown, I learned new things like always stay healthy, keep yourself clean, family is very important, and many more things. I also do my hobbies like gardening, drawing, painting, etc. I have also spent my amazing time with my family. It is great experience for me because other time they are busy on their own work. This lockdown gave me and my family to spend time together. During this lockdown, I also swear everyone around me they busy improving their skills, either they is cooking or something else. I also do health tips. After few days my online classes will start. I hope everything will be fine as soon as possible.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
I am also good. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. Today's my topic is how did I spend my time in lockdown. Corona is a big disease that is originated in China. So there is a lockdown in China. During lockdown, I go to village with my family. I watch many movies and I play many games in the village. I listen songs and make many paintings. During lockdown, I go to my farmhouse and do many works with my father. I also make some electronic devices. I make my own organic vegetable and plant garden at my home. One of the best moment is spending our quality time with our family. So I spend my more time with my family. In lockdown, I do my online classes. Do my online productivity support progress. So I set goals to do during lockdown. Me and my family do many fun in the corona. That's all that I do in corona. Thank you.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
I am also good. Today topic is how did I spend my lockdown time. My name is Urvashi Prajapati. These holidays are different because it come in lockdown time. This lockdown was my first experience when I had stay at home for a long time. On these holidays I have not any visit places. I spend my lockdown time at home. I played indoor game with my siblings. I watched movies and cartoon in the lockdown time. I helped my mother in household work. I attend online classes in lockdown time. We also say Ramayana and Mahabharata in lockdown time. I did exercise and yoga with my family. I have all COVID-19 rules at home: regular hand wash, drink hot water, and use the sanitizer.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Priyanshi Jaiswal. Today's topic is how did I spend my lockdown time. During this lockdown, I learned new things like always stay healthy, keep yourself clean, family is very important, and many more things. During lockdown, I worked on my hobbies like gardening and dancing, etc. I had spent amazing time with my family. It is great experience for me because other time they are busy on their own work. This lockdown gave me and my family to spend time together. During this lockdown, I also saw everyone around was busy improving their skills, either they eat cooking or something else. After a few days, my online classes will begin, and I hope that everything will be fine as soon as possible. Thank you.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Tamanna Patida. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Today's topic is how did I spend my lockdown time at home. In December 2019, a new type of coronavirus existed in China. Coronavirus has resulted in lockdown in several countries, and almost half of the world population are spending their time inside the home. During my lockdown time, I was my grandfather, my father and my siblings. We all play carom and ludo together. My all family members are watching TV together. I used to read Ramayana and everyone used to sit and listen together. We used to go to field sometimes. Spending these lockdown days without meeting your friends, hanging out together is hard, but still connect to them video calls. Most of us have a very lifestyle, and you can't accept for work and schools. But enjoy lockdown time very much. Thank you.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Tanisha Patil. Today's topic is how I spent time during lockdown. I helped my mother in cooking. I have made some easy craft with the help of YouTube. I played many indoor games with my siblings. I watched many movies in lockdown time. I read newspaper daily in lockdown time. I watered the plants in our garden. I completed my homework and school project. I attended the online classes of my school. I did yoga with my parents. I also work on my health. Thank you.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Shruti Prajapati, and today's topic is how did my lockdown time. This lockdown was my first experience. I attended all online classes. I completed homework and my school projects in lockdown time. I read newspaper daily in lockdown time. I watched movie and cartoons in lockdown time. I play many indoor games with my siblings. I followed COVID-19's rules, regular hand wash, drink hot water, and used sanitizer and masks. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. Today my topic is how I spend my time during lockdown. My name is Minuswari. During lockdown, I have spent my time doing lots of things. I did yoga with my parents. I attended the online classes of my school. I have spent my time by reading books. I also work on my health. I also utilize by reading books. I spend my free time playing different indoor games. I watch many cartoon movies. I also help my mother and sister on their work. I read newspaper daily in lockdown time. Thank you.